Hey, what's going on guys? Biggs in this one from the Pinnacle, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the tracking speed of your trackpad here on your Mac. Of course, we're talking about the trackpad, so it has to be a Mac. So in order to do that, go into system preferences here, click on it, and then go into trackpad here on the second row of system preferences. Okay, trackpad, and then you see tracking speed. For me it's pretty slow. It's like 1 2 3 clicks out of slow here. That's why my trackpad is pretty darn slow. Let's make it fast, guys. Okay, all the way fast. See how fast this thing is moving? It's ridiculous. Okay, I don't like it that fast, but I would rather have somewhere in the middle. Like this is good. And this is kind of like a little bit to the right. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 clicks from from out 6 clicks east of slow basically. So that's pretty reasonable. And if you want to have it super slow, here, this is not even moving. Oh my god, this is pretty sad. The trackpad doesn't even move properly. But yeah, I'd rather have it somewhere in the middle here. Like here, 6 clicks basically. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. It's moving reasonable and everything. And yeah, that's basically it. You can set up Bluetooth trackpad, but I have no intention of doing that. My trackpad is good enough. I've been using this machine for about 5 years, and it's working, no problem, no problem whatsoever. So yeah, that's it for this time. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.